How's it going?
Good morning.
Hey,
Great.
guys, how are you?
Pretty good.
Good
Yeah.
day, huh?
Oh, it's beautiful.
Glory. Man, yesterday wouldn't have been fit for nothing. But wait for a while and the weather changes, right? Have a good day. What you got?
I'm just kind of slowing down to take in the, because it's kind of really striking in every direction, right?
I guess you can get so used to walking, you're not paying attention to what you're looking at, right?
Oh yeah, very quickly. Because see, like you don't expect to look through this little crevice here and see that, you know, next range over there.
So this is considered the canyon?
This is a canyon. Well,
Okay.
by the standard I mean,
Okay.
this is not like a named spot, just being right here. It's just named by whatever this creek is. This creek is what is this?
Creek.
I knew, so I believe I still know. But like you say, I don't say things like can't in terms of something I want to do. Like remember, I just say I'm not pulling that up right now. It's my working my working model for the moment.
Yep, it's not working right now.
What?
I said, but it will.
Oh yeah.
I'll pull it up later.
Yeah.
Oh, so this is the infamous little creek.
This what?
So here's our infamous little creek here.
Yeah, this is a creek. Yeah. It runs. This is not the same one that came over the falls, but it joins up with it.
Later down there.
Right down there, I think. Pretty sure. So this trail would go all the way up, all the way through Sharon's garden. Every point on this trail is a turnaround point, though.
Okay.
I seriously doubt we will. No, we're not looking to go see the boulder field, because I think that's like at least a half an hour ahead. I'm not sure, but it could be, and that would put us an hour further.
Yeah.
On our return.
Next time.
Yeah. Absolutely.
There'll be next time.
But see where we come up past that point, where we're standing in front of that little thing in the middle. We won't go all the way there, but that might be where we want to turn around.
Okay.
I think.
I did kind of don't have anything on the schedule, but I did inform the wife I wouldn't be out here all day.
Right. So this is pretty easy, right?
Oh yeah, this isn't bad. I've seen bad.
Yeah, a bunch of the places people love to go hike, or like the world traveling hikers, a bunch of the places they really like, it's like you're precarious. You're in a precarious situation the whole time. And that's great. That's total National Geographic stuff. Woo!
But I guess the point is, when you're out and being somewhere you've never been before,
Yeah.
number one rule: don't get lost.
Ooh. Yeah. Because lost is a bad thing.